Because remember, every human being on this planet has some kind of trauma or rejection that happens before age 7. So if you're constantly complaining or and you're going outward with everything that's happening in your life, like you're not getting a bigger raise, you're not getting the bonuses, you're doing everybody's work, guess what? That reactivity is a huge sign that you're operating in scarcity and that you've got some inner work to do. And I know most people are like, yeah, but. Yes, all those things are happening out in the world. But if those things are happening in the world and you can stay solid in a state of grace yourself, stay neutral, then you're able to manifest. You cannot manifest abundance in your life financially or in love or any other area of your life until you don't have a hijacked nervous system. So this is where I tell my clients and the people who attend my coaching programs that what you do is you have a toolbox. So what's in your toolbox? Your toolbox could be something so when you're trying to shift from scarcity to abundance, when you're hijacked, it's not if you get hijacked, it's when. Because you got to remember, you call people into your life, your soul calls these people into your life to actually provoke the shit out of you. I know that sounds funny, but that's how it works. And you will keep getting the same situation, different faces, different names, but same scenarios causing you to react in the exact same way until your insides change. Because you will keep having that experience because we live in a holographic universe. So when you're trying to shift from scarcity to abundance, you have to realize the scarcity is only showing up because you have scarcity going on inside of you and the world is just mirroring that back at you. So the way you get around this is managing your hijacked nervous system. So I remember Deepak Chopra saying years ago to me, I think it was back in 2004, he said, you just have to become the observer of your life. And I'm like, what in the hell does that mean? Well, what it means is that you're now able to see what is showing up in your life. You're accepting it on some level because you're not reacting to it. And then you choose a non-activated response to it. So you either choose to not participate or you choose to maybe step back and reflect of how. And please keep in mind, you don't have to respond at all. That's a response in itself. So when you are trying to shift from scarcity to abundance, it's an inside job. It is not an outside job. But you are going to have to look inside to see how you've created every ounce of scarcity in your life today, because you are the creator of your life. And until you start to take responsibility for being exact creator for everything that's happened in your life, nothing's going to change. So I'm guessing you're watching this video because you want it to change. And we're here to help. By all means, I have books and workbooks. I have online coaching programs. I have everything that you can imagine to help you on your journey. Because it's not easy when you're trying to do this just yourself. And sometimes you need to build a support system around you, whether it's me or someone else that you're finding, or keep watching more videos of the things and the people that you want to create more of your life, because that means you're going more in alignment with self. And then you're going to be calmer in your nervous system. And if anyone or anything out there actually causes you to go to this hijacked place within yourself, cut them off, block them on your phone. Choose to not go to work that day because you're just not in a place where you won't be reactive. That is self-awareness, and that is the first step to abundance. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.